Okay, tell them what we're making.
We're making the bananas.
Alright, so what do we have to do first?
We have to melt the chocolate.
Yeah, so what are you going to do?
Pour them in.
Yeah.
Banana.
Let me know if you guys like chocolate chip with bananas. This is our first time making super easy, fun, semi-healthy snack to give your kids if you can.
First step, we put the chocolate chips in, and then we melt them to microwave. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
What about the sprinkles? Wait a second. Where are the sprinkles?
We do have sprinkles.
Let me get them.
You gotta peel the banana first. Or then you know. Try peeling it yourself.
Oh. No.
See, you can do it. You got it.
So you open that, please.
Oh, look at that. Silky goodness.
Silky goodness.
Silky goodness, yeah.
See?
Alright, we're gonna cut the banana in half.
Okay, then we'll have 2 bananas. The same color.